What's going on? This is G once again. I got some information that I've been wanting to give you guys for a long time, but I've been holding back on this video because I've been busy. But now I got some time to do some things, and I want to share something with you today that's going to definitely help put some money in your pocket. So if you want to put some money in your pocket, if you're doing HVAC or any type of service-based work, you're going to want to listen to this video because it helped me and it's going to help you. All right, here we go.
Cool G's on your Google YouTube. If you're looking for a trade, hit the move. Sit down, take notes, listen up. Cool G's about to pour in your cup. Be your own boss and set the stage. Just use HVAC as a trade. Set your own rules and come up. All you need to do is sit down and listen up. Yeah, Cool G's. Heating and air, service and repair, install. Come learn that trade, get yourself paid, pay all your bills. All you need is the tools and a truck.
I was riding down the street the other day, and my transmission on my van decided to go kaput on me, right at the light. So I was able to put the car in drive and coast over to in front of the shop, and the guy came out the shop, he checked out my van for me, and he was like, "Hey man, your transmission is shot." I was like, dang it. So I was stuck in the middle of the road, well, on the side of the road, in the parking lot actually. And I went to my Google app and I typed in transmission repair near me. I was in Jonesboro, Georgia. That's where I was. So I Googled transmission repair near me. I picked the top 4 places. I called each one. When I called the first guy, his attitude was like, "Hey man, hello, transmissions." And I was like, "Hey man, I got a such and such work truck. My transmission just went out." And you can tell he was obviously busy. So we didn't do the deal. That's number one. The second guy who I called was in the same city where I was driving, not where I live, but where I was driving. And he had transmissions, brakes, engines, and things like a whole broad of things. So I called him up second. "Hey, hello?" When he answered the phone, "Oh yeah, man, we can fix that for you, but it's about 2 months out." That's not gonna work for me. So that's the second person who I called. I'm going through my reviews. I'm going through the listing on Google, just kind of see who I'm going to call next. I called a third guy that was close to that city. I called a third guy. Hit him up on the phone. The phone just rang and rang and rang and rang. He finally got it, but he couldn't do the job. Now, the fourth person who I called, he wasn't the fourth person on the list, just the fourth person I called because he was in a different. So when I called his phone, an AI picked up, and you go through the prompts. And I thought to myself, his Google reviews is there. His AI picked up the phone, even though he may have been busy at the time, but the AI picked up the phone, so I was able to get through to him. And when I got through to him, he sent a tow truck to pick up my vehicle immediately, and we took it straight to the shop. He gave me a 7-day time frame that he's going to get it fixed. It was fixed in the 6 days. I paid him almost $3,700 to fix my transmission in my work truck, my work van. But the only reason why I dealt with this dude because the fact that he had AI on his phone was amazing. Now I have AI on my phone, 24 hours a day. If 10 people at once call my phone number, because I'm going to rank on Google, I'm ranking number 1 on Google. If you Google AC repair in Jonesboro, Georgia on the Google Maps, Cool G's come up number 1 every time. So if you Google your business near me or a particular business near me, if you rank on top of Google and someone calls that phone number and they can't get in contact with you, or the phone is busy, or you're in the attic at the particular time, anything that can arise, if you have an AI, let your AI pick up and schedule the appointment. I have an AI on my phone but I'm going to put a link in the description where you can literally click this link, sign up to where AI can answer your phone for you. And I'll give you a prime example. I put the AI on my phone maybe a couple of months ago, and it's just a regular phone service. It don't even cost that much money. But a customer called my phone number. She Googled AC repair, I guess, in her city. Coogie's come up number one. She called the number. A machine picks up and asks, because you can train the AI to ask certain questions. So I asked her a few questions. I got the appointment. Once the AI hang up the phone, immediately it sends you a text with a transcript, and you can hear it and you can read it, and you can see all the questions that you train the AI to ask. And she said, obviously, could I come out the next day? She called on a Sunday. I went to a house on a Monday, had her AC installed, total package on a Tuesday, and got paid on that Tuesday and Monday. Deposit Monday, the whole payment on Tuesday, got paid. So I asked her, I said, how'd you like my telephone service? She said, I loved it. She said, sounds so professional, sounds so amazing. Because check this out. A few years ago, in the summertime, which is our peak season. So we got to learn how to have business when it's not peak season. So right now, I'm in Thailand, folks. When the wintertime, I don't like the cold. When the wintertime comes, I'm over here in Bangkok, Thailand, chilling. Anyway, this lady had called me up, and she said, I asked her, well, how'd you like my AI service? She said, well, I really like that. It's really professional. I really enjoyed that. And I thought about it. The gentleman who got my money for the transmission job, for the simple fact that he had AI, was the reason why I used him on this phone, because that told me that his operation was a little bit more on board. His operation seemed like it was a little more organized. But a couple of years ago, this is what I was saying earlier, a couple of years ago, me and my man Corey, he was working with me, we was out doing some jobs, and back then, I'm answering every call I can get as quick as I can get it. My phone was sometimes ringing 40 to 50 times a day. It was ridiculous. It was driving me nuts. It would ring so much. So Corey told me years ago, he said, gee, man, you got to get off that phone, bro. Because I can't even talk to a customer or do a certain job without that phone ringing 50 times. Now, that's a good problem. If you don't have that problem with your phone is ringing 50, 60 times a day in the summertime, I won't say 50 to 60. Let's just say 20 to 30 times a day. But it's ringing too much when you got so much work, you can't even do all the work in that one particular day. But he told me that you got to get off that phone, bro. And it took me years. It literally took me years to get that AI on my phone. Now, if you were to call Coogie's Heating in the Air today, even though I'm in Thailand, I'm someplace else in the world, and I don't care what time you call, this AI don't have an attitude, she's patient, and she's always going to answer the phone. If 10 people call my phone at the same time, AI will pick up all 10, and she will answer all 10. If you ask questions, if you ask the AI questions, it answers the questions. It'll tell you how much the service fee is. It'll tell you our coverage area. It will tell you everything that you want, to work. I'm gonna give you an example. Let me see. So you can at least hear it. Hopefully this will work.
เลขที่คุณเรียกกรุณาตรวจสอบหมายเลขอีกครั้งค่ะ The number you dialed is not.
Okay, let me try to do it a different way. See, I probably can't even do it because I'm on this. I'm out the country. I'm on the phone, but nah. I'm gonna dial it from this phone, see if I not interrupt the video. Okay. So here's an example. I'm gonna call from my other phone number, so you can hear it.
Thank you for calling Cooljuice Air. This is Rosie, your AI assistant. I'm here to assist you. I can connect you to an appointment or answer any questions you may have. You're always welcome to send a text. Or, are you calling to book an appointment?
Yes, I'm calling to book an appointment.
I can help with that. I just need to collect a few quick pieces of information from you. To start out, what type of HVAC service are you interested in?
My furnace is not working.
Just a couple. How else?
I'm getting bad reception, so I'm not all that technical with these videos and stuff like that, but just trust me. If you want to work with me, I'm going to put a link in this description. If you want to work with me to help get your business off the ground, if you're doing HVAC, plumbing, whatever type of business that you're in, me specifically, we're in the HVAC field over here. But if you don't have AI on your phone, if you're not using the power of the artificial intelligence, the AI on your phone, the AI to get customers, I'm not paying commercials and doing all these things that people say that will work. Nah, I focus my business on Google and being efficient on Google, and I don't even pay Google any money. I've learned how to do certain things across the board on a website, on the internet, so you can show up on Google. All you need to do is show up on Google, because the customers are going to have to Google certain keywords. They're going to Google it, and they have to get in touch with you. And if you got that AI on your phone, I'm telling you, you're going to dominate your competition with having AI. But first, let's get your phone to ring. If your phone ain't ringing, don't get the AI. But if you got a couple dollars to spend, it don't cost much. It's, if you use my link, as a matter of fact, if you use my link, for the first 2 months, you get 50% off, and I even get paid. It's like a service fee money. So, and if you want to, get other people to do it too, send them your link, and you can get paid for them using the AI, and it helps. Now, another reason why I love this AI on my phone, you know how sometimes you're in the attic or you're doing some type of work, and somebody's calling your phone, and you got to literally stop what you're doing, grab your phone. Hello, Coogie's Heating and Air. And they say, hi, this is Michelle Jean from IRS or from whoever the case may be, trying to sell you something. And it's an irritating phone call. So when you have those AI that answers your phone, it eliminates, where my microphone at? It eliminates those scam calls. So I don't get no scam calls. I don't like my phone to ring. If it does ring, I know it's money, or it should be money if I'm talking on it. But I don't like my phone to ring. I don't like to be on the phone a whole lot. So what that AI does is, when someone calls the phone, if they're trying to solicit something or sell something, they can't get through to you. They have to go through the AI, and it's only for people who's booking appointments or customers. If there's an option on there, if you want to get transferred to the operator, there's an option if you want to just leave a message. There's a lot of options, man. But this AI, put AI in your business somehow. Now, flip the script. I'm offering free strategy calls for anybody who wants to learn to implement some of the things that I've implemented to make me dominate my Google profile, and allows me to be able to afford to leave town for a few months out the year because it's cold and I don't like the cold. So if you want to get a strategy call, if you want to book a strategy call with me, just some information. I did one with a brother a couple of days ago, and he got a lot of information. It's a free strategy call, so we just chopped it up for a little while. And I do like talking about business and how to grow your business and how to develop your business, basically how to get more customers, because that's going to give you more money. He paid me for it. I didn't even ask him for it. He said, hey man, I think your just the call was so informative. What's your Cash App? He sent me some money. I appreciate it. But all that being said, folks, get AI on your phone. I'm going to leave a link for the AI on your phone if you want to grow your business. If you want to dominate the field, use the AI. You don't have to use mine, but at least have some type of, if somebody call your phone, and this is what I've seen too. This is what I've seen that I don't like, but it is what it is. Some of you guys got your own business, and your same number that your mama call you on is the same number that your customer call you on. That's not going to work. Okay, that's number one. Number two is, when you answer your phone, you got to answer your phone professionally. If you don't have the AI, at least answer your phone professionally. Okay, now that's number two. Number three is, my business work number is my Google Voice number, which is free. I don't believe in paying a lot of money for a lot of things I don't need, okay? But Google Voice is free. And the good thing about my Google Voice, because my business number is on my Google Voice, I can transfer it anywhere. That's number one. But I can go back 5, 6, 7 years and get every text message I ever had and get all the addresses that ever came to my Google Voice, every message, every picture, everything is stored in the Google Voice. I think it's amazing, okay? So that's another reason why I just love doing these videos for you guys, to kind of like show you that all the things I've done in my past, it did help me. It helped me a whole lot to put me in the position where I am today. And I'm using that information to help you guys, okay? So if you want to schedule a free strategy call, there's a link. If you want to get the AI on your phone, it's up to you, but there's a link. If you want to grow your business and dominate the field and not be twiddling your thumbs in the slow season, and at least have some money in the slow season to do what you got to do, hit the link and let's schedule a strategy call, okay? And if you got any advice for me, leave a comment. I'm working now to grow this channel. I'm in a place right now where I can't do service calls, so I'm going to service you with these videos for the next few days, all right? Till next time, folks, this is Cool G with Cool G's Heating and Air in Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand, having a blast. It is, I'm going to tell you what time it is right now. It's like 4:49, so about 5 o'clock a.m. over here. And so it's like 5 o'clock p.m. over in the States. But look, if you need my help, definitely reach out. Get that AI on your phone. Let's make 2025 the best year in our life. Let's work, not work too hard. Let's get paid. And that AIPAID, let's get paid this year using the AI. Okay, guys? Till next time, I'm out. Peace.